Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, I'm Christy Puntuya Baldon, 39 years old, already married, and residing at Purok 8, DSWD Resettlement, Barangay 56, Taysan, Legazpi City.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one child, 19 years old, and second year college.
And how many siblings do you have?
We had 4 and I'm the youngest.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm college undergrad and I did not finish my college because my parents can afford my tuition fees.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I had 2 years and 6 months work as a DH at Lebanon. I do cooking, cleaning the house, laundry and ironing.
Okay. And how would you describe yourself?
I'm a simple girl, trustworthy of course, and honest.
Okay. And do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Also, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
And why do you want to work abroad?
because I'm so hardworking here. My financial is always short, and my parents, I want to help my parents.
I see. And are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
And give me your idea, how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
talking them with a calm voice.
Okay, that's right. And then lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
Hello to my future employer. I'm your future employee. I'll promise you that I will do my best. I'm a hardworking and trustworthy. I can do multitasking. And if you have a rules and regulations, I will follow it as long as it will be keep safe for me. I'll promise you that I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you!